In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create this beautiful tranquil evening scene along with that glorious sunset. Hi, I'm Marion Dutton. I'm the author of the Healing Art book and the founder of MazArt Studio. And if this is the first time you've visited the channel, I do hope you'll consider subscribing and giving me those all-important thumbs up. I really do hope you enjoy this YouTube preview. However, if you'd like to paint along with me in real time, please head on over to my website where you'll be able to get this full-length tutorial video along with the tracings and all the PDF instructions listing the materials I've used to paint this picture. So we're going to begin, again this is acrylic undercolour, and we're going to do some blocking in with acrylic, and then we're going to move on and start to block in the trees. Again, these are silhouetted against that lovely sunset, so I'm going to make those nice and dark, and again I'm just using the black. Now what I'm going to do here, because of that, I really want to bring the light into the centre, so I'm going to use this brush now as a dry brush technique, keeping my strokes nice and horizontal. Okay, I'm going to dry that off and we're going to get set up ready for switching to the oils. Same thing, I'm going to go straight over, and you can see how thin I'm putting that paint on because we're able to still see everything all the way through. And I'm okay to kind of dance this on very thinly and even allow these pockets, because when we blend a lot of that will get covered. Okay, so I'm now going back to our darker lavender colour because of course the light sun would be really brightening these mountains up. We would get a different colour, so I'm going to just bring a little bit of that orange over. This is just cadmium orange. I'm putting this on very thin. You can still see, I can see all of that underpainting. We're just getting that initial undercolour, and then I'm going to switch then to some sap green. So we're really just tinting that underpainting with this green. And I'm going to block the horse in. Again, not overly worrying if I totally cover all of that undercolour, and we really want to bring the light out. So this is going on very, very thick, and I want some yellow and green grasses, and we're just going to dance those across. So back into this red colour that we made for the clouds. Not got a lot on my brush, but I want to kind of dance a few wispy clouds up here using this sort of overhand grip. And I am in danger of over fiddling, and so I am actually going to call that a finished painting.